Welcome, guys. Welcome to another Red Day recap. Oh, frustrating. Very frustrating right now. My accuracy is horrible. My accuracy is absolutely horrible. So, it's small. I mean, it's a small green day or red day, but I'm probably going to have to add money to my account, which I don't really want to do. But, because I'm trying to save money to move, so I'm like, I would like to not. I would like to at least grow this money, but is what it is. Um, yeah, so yesterday my recap was kind of based on stopping out too soon. Like just let stuff run a little bit. And so that was kind of my mantra for today. And on NLSP, I I got in for a trade up here at 319. I got through this break here. I bought for this break and I held it and I was like, "All right, here we go." Drop down. And I'm like, and I lost $10 on that. I think I got filled at 339 and stopped out at 319 ish. So I'm like, I was looking for this break and I got it, and then it just immediately flushed down. So bad luck. I don't know if that's user issue, but sorry, I'll sit closer to the mic. Um yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the issue was on that trade for the fact that it just immediately flushed down, but is what it is. Then D Pro, I thoroughly regret trading this. I mean, it's still up, but it is a tire share float, and I couldn't get into a rhythm. And I got a couple of trades on this. I had a break at dear, dear goodness gracious, 7:15. So earlier this morning. So I was looking for this break at 8 to push through 8, and we got it. And we got this. And again, I bought it and I'm like, okay, here we go. I'm holding it. It's holding up well. Like this was a solid base. Like I was expecting, like if it dropped to VWAP, I would have considered like that would have been a good point to stop out. But I mean, I would have stopped at 8. I was in at 8:10 or something. I'm like, all right, here we go. Let's hold it for a little bit and watch it push up, flush down. So a loss, and I traded it a couple times, and I think I was just break even on it. I really wasn't making any progress. So that's like, yeah, what I said yesterday was trying to just let stuff play in my favor for a little bit, but holding and hoping isn't a strategy. So where's the disconnect? This also didn't have a good catalyst. Yeah, and like looking back at it, today probably should have been a no trade day. I got a W on SLXN. That's how, I have no idea. But where did I get in at this? So I got 450 to 6 or to 460. So if we open up here, actually got in off this little resistance line here and got a nice dip and pushed back higher. I mean, I only made $4, $4.50. So yeah, it's a frustrating week. Last 2 weeks, honestly. Um, and yeah, I mean, I'm gonna miss Thursday trading, so I won't be able to trade Thursday. So yeah, we're at a tough go right now, but um, the losses are manageably small, so it's not too mentally frustrating. But that's the thing. It's like if you trade in a simulator, I traded in a simulator and made money. Trading in a sim is easy in a sense. Like you can get your strategy worked out pretty well, but it doesn't give you that emotional, like even if it's $5, like that's a ghost energy drink. That's two ghost energy drinks. That's a worthy $5. So we're like that disconnect of letting it hurt you emotionally that helps build that up. And that's kind of what I've been planning for the last nine-ish months. of trading. So yeah, let me know how you guys did in the comments. We'll be back tomorrow for another recap, and hopefully we can start building some positive momentum. But that's it for today. Peace.